Before I say anything, just watch this.
A is for alligator snapping by the stream. B is for bear as happy as can be. C is for cat with a purr so sweet. D is for dog dancing on his feet. A, B, C, come and sing with me. Animals are everywhere as far as you can see.
Pretty impressive, right? And here's the craziest part. This entire nursery rhyme video was created using AI and for completely free. So, if you ever wanted to create a nursery rhyme YouTube channel but thought, I don't know animation or this is probably cost too much, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'll show you exact step-by-step process to create videos like this using AI. And yes, you can do all of this for free. So, without wasting a single second of our time, let's get started. First of all, go to ChatGPT and ask it for a nursery rhyme video idea. For example, you can ask it to generate ideas for educational rhymes, daily routine, animal rhymes, or anything. As you can see, ChatGPT gives you multiple ideas in different categories. For me, I like this one, so I'll copy it and I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a full rhyming poem based on this topic. Now you can see ChatGPT has generated the complete poem for our video. In my case, it created this safari song covering everything from A to Z. Now once your nursery rhyme video is ready, step 2 is converting this text into a real song. For that, go to Suno AI. We'll use Suno AI to turn our poem into a full song. Inside Suno, click on Create. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your full poem. Paste it into the lyrics section. Then in the style box, add keywords like kids song, nursery rhyme, playful, happy. Now click on Create. Suno will generate 2 versions of your songs. Listen to both and pick whichever sounds better. In my case, both sounded amazing. Honestly, this is literally Cocomelon quality. I'll go with the first one, and after a short wait, Suno AI generates the full song. Mine is this minute long, which is perfect. Once done, click the 3 dots and download it as MP3. And just like that, your nursery rhyme song is ready. Now comes step 3, where we create the visuals for our rhyme. Go back to ChatGPT and use a prompt asking it to generate visuals for every single line of song. This part is very important. Tell ChatGPT to keep the visual styles consistent across every prompt. That way your final video feels polished and professional. To ensure all this, you can simply paste our prompt, which is already given in the description below. Now ChatGPT will generate separate visuals prompts for every single line. That means each lyric gets its own dedicated scene. And because we ask for style consistency, all scenes will match visually. Once your prompts are ready, it's time to convert those into images. For that, go to Meta AI and click on Create. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first visual prompt along with the style prompt. Paste it into Meta AI. Make sure to select 16:9 ratio. And quick tip, don't use the video generation directly here. Sometimes it gives more errors. Always generate images first. Meta AI will create 4 images variation for each prompt. Choose the one you like the most, then move to the next prompt. Copy your second prompt, paste it here, generate again. Now repeat this process until all of your prompts are converted into pictures. Now as you can see, we have already finished our visuals. Now the next step is to animate them. For each scene, choose your favorite image from the 4 options, then click on Animate. Meta AI will turn that image into a full video clip. For example, for scene 1, I like this image, so I'll animate this one. Continue this until all of your scene's images are converted into videos. Once done, download all of your clips. Now we are at the final step, combining everything into final nursery rhyme video. Use any editing software you like. I'll use CapCut. The process is really simple. Import all of your clips, then import the song you created using Suno AI. Place the song in the timeline. Now listen carefully and sing the visuals according to the lyrics. Match each clip to its corresponding lines. When everything is synced, reframe the clips if needed. And that's it! Click export and your first nursery rhyme video is ready. Take a look at what we have created. Crazy, right? We just created a Cocomelon style nursery rhyme video without spending a single dollar. And that's exactly how you create nursery rhyme videos using AI. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe DeepMind AI, and as always, you're watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.